Y'all say y'all want content, I'm giving y'all content. I'm about to pet out these burgers. I actually bought a burger smasher, but I'm about to figure out how this works. I think I'm supposed to put the burger in here, take some of the meat, and put it in the smasher. Like that. Okay, this is a burger smasher. So let's see if it works. I don't want them to be too big, but I don't want them to be too small. I think I'm gonna put more meat. I'm gonna do that over. Just a little more meat. Okay, let's see. This one look better. Oh, that's cute. Let's put it on the grill. I just gonna keep repeating the same process. Heart smasher. And then it just pop out like this. That is so cool. The easiest burger I ever made, y'all. And these ain't no small burgers. Let's see how many we gonna be able to make. Oh, that's why I said lock. I see now. Let's see how many I'm gonna be able to make. So far we got like 4 over there. I end up patting out ooh, that's hot. I end up patting out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 burgers. So I patted out 6 burgers. And before y'all come for me, well, I burnt the shit out of my hand. Before y'all come for me, I seasoned my meat. Before I put it in a bowl with all the seasonings. Then we got the Cracker Barrel cheese. So people act like cheese don't make a sandwich, but it do. Trust to believe that, baby. Let me cut some of these off. My knife is in the dishwasher, as y'all can see. Y'all can hear it in the back. But this is Cracker Barrel yellow American cheese. Okay, so we got the Cracker Barrel cheese. It's a block of cheese like this. And for my sandwiches, I'm just going to cut a thin piece. It's small. My knife is in the dishwasher, so bear with me. So I'll just be putting one of these on the burger. Right in the middle of it. I am hot right now, and I'm going to say this before I eat because I got some Ruffles, lightly salted. I don't get my blood pressure going high. I got some Cracker Barrel cheese on this burger, some lettuce, and I got some mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard. That's going to go with this one with the lettuce on it. Then I got one just plain one, only cheese, because that's how my son eat. So, like I was saying, I'm going to eat this burger. It got everything on it. And then we got one plain, because sometimes I don't like my food all over the place, falling all over the place. And none of y'all going to tell me how much I'm go eat and not go eat. Let's be clear. Whether I'm going to lose a weight or not, y'all not my mama. Y'all don't pay my bills. That's good. But peace, y'all. Much love.